Yuji defeats Sukuna. Nah, I won. I think that's what I'll call this. He's actually saying what's it going to be or something, but nah, I won is just better, I think. So he's messed up. There's lots of cuts. So I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if we go too fast. Looking down, right? I'm going to start with this big eye. The other one's closed. So we're just going to go diagonal. There. And pretty simple top eyelid going that way. And then the bottom. Around like so. And then sort of tear duct kind of in there. And we're just going to thicken up this, the top eyelid, because it's much thicker normally. Like so, right? And he is looking down, right? So he's kind of got an intense look in his eye. So we'll go, what way? We'll just do normal. He stops it here, right? Which is interesting. This one we might as well. There we go. It's kind of like a bullseye sort of a thing. Or like two horseshoes kind of inside one another, and then a very small pupil. Okay. And that's Yuji's victorious eye. Ba-da-dum. We'll put some lines around the edges here. So, eyebrow. Just up here. Texture on it. And there's a bit of an eyelid line inside here. There's like some textures here. Should have an eyelid line there as well, but he doesn't draw it in for some reason. Okay. So his other eye is wrecked over here, but we're about eye width over. So width of his eye, that whole width fits in between. And I'm going to draw it in. I can't make it out. I don't know if the eye's gone or what, but I'm going to draw just like a closed eye. This kind of a thing, right? I'm going to thicken it up to make it look like, and you can color blood all over it, or you have the option of coloring it like all black, like it is in the manga. So there's eyelid line here, and like underneath here as well. And then nose line in there, and then his eyebrow comes across. Again, his eyebrow's probably wrecked too. You don't really see it, but just for keeping things simple for ourselves, we'll do that. And then we'll go another bit of an eyelid line just over there. And I'm going to put like lots of scratches in this area when I do all the texture, because he's got lots of scars and stuff on his face. So his nose, so we're looking up at him so we can like see into his nose basically. So the way to do that is like this V's sort of, or arrows sort of pointing up. And then he's open mouth, so he's talking, so it goes up, across, down the back. So it looks like his mouth is closed, but we'll open it up. There. And then shadows in the corners, right? And then here. And then his teeth. So it looks like his mouth is open and he's talking. And this is black as well. And so in the manga, he likes to do this for top lip, and then the bottom lip is kind of flat like this. And then we have that scar in the corner. Textures on that. And there is, of course, lots of blood and stuff. But we'll do like his ripped hoodie sort of shape here. And it is all like ripped and torn and stuff coming down. So there's all like rips and tears and stuff taken out of it. Okay, and his head will come out from it. So we got this like big mountain sort of thing here, but his jaw comes out either side. Okay, and then we're below the mouth for the jaw because we're looking up and his head is tilted back. So we go up this way a bit. Right, and then his neck just sort of comes down here. Strong dude, so neck in line with the jaw. So just above this then we have like his sideburns, right? Just a little V coming down there. And then the ears come out from that. And they're real square ears in Jujutsu Kaisen. I think his ear on this side is like messed up. It's drawn strangely. There's like a line like this on top, and then there's like texture in it, so I don't know if it's like cut or whatever. And then ear lines, J, like that. And we do sort of similar on this side. So his hairline, right? So we got like the center just up here, like a little V like that. The manga artist does like super fast, just like straight lines, but we'll go like a little bit anime sort of. So hair spikes this way. And then Yuji standard sort of hair spikes the whole way around. So it's just like little shark fins. Right? So this kind of thing. And you just go like up here, like about as high as there, I would say. Okay. And just keep going. And it depends on like if you like the manga style or the more anime style hair. It's kind of up to you what way you want to do it. And then just like they add textures and stuff all in here. All going in different directions around his head. Like so. You can add more or less of that. So, we'll do like all this messed up stuff. Okay, so we'll go like this big scar across his face here. And it's obviously like supposed to be real bloody. There's all like blood inside. There's like one on his forehead. I imagine this will be all just blood and stuff eventually. So there's a crazy big one here, and this is like nearly all just black, right? Like it's nearly like his eye is gone. I can't remember actually at the end. Does he have two eyes? So then we'll just add like lots of textures and stuff around all this. It's obviously like a lot of damage anyway. Okay. So I can like add color to that. If you're going for manga, it's like it's nearly just all black inside with some hatching. So, right, we'll go down, finish the hoodie. So we can see it bumping down this way. And then goes off for his shoulder, sort of down here. And then we go, this one's kind of higher up a bit. So it's like his shoulder there. And center line. And we got those buttons. And the details inside of them. So it's like a little diamond, it looks like. Curving around all these lines. Okay, and then all these fold lines and stuff and blood, like absolutely destroyed it. Okay, so hatching and stuff on it and stuff like that. As much texture and detail as you'd like. But that's pretty much it. Yuji defeats Sukuna. Now I won. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.